under 35 miles to Manila, and in a few minutes we shall declare the sun. Based on the latest weather report, we're expecting weather in Manila with strong winds and temperature of 30 degrees centigrade. We estimate our arrival time to be at 10 minutes past 11 o'clock in the morning. That is Stockholm, Manila. We will permit you to leave your bed. Please enjoy the rest of the flight. At this point, on that airline will deserve us later to the but thank you for choosing to fly with Airlines. It was our pleasure to have served you and we hope you enjoy the flight. Have a pleasant stay in Manila and the rest of our destination. Salamat pong mabuhay. Magandang araw po sa inyo.
After 5 months, I had another chance to fly back home for a quick vacation, and today is my scheduled flight going to the Philippines. I requested the free transportation from our hospital, and of course, dahil sa lokalong driver, pinabayaan niya ako magbuhat ng aking luggages. Ang galing, di ba? After 30 minutes, we arrive at King Khalid International Airport Terminal 2. I am flying via Philippine Airlines. At pagdating ko, ang haba ng pila sa entrance. Hindi pa pala pinapapasok ang mga passengers ng PAL dahil ang dami pang tao sa loob ng airport. While waiting sa labas with matching high temperature dahil summer that time, napakain tuloy ako ng baon kong biscuit. Kaloka. At habang kumakain ako, napaisip tuloy ako kung gaano kaya kami katagal maghihintay dito sa labas. Makakaya ko ba magstay dito sa labas nang di nagko-collapse sa init? Ilang biskwit pa kaya makakain ko before kami papasukin? Papasok kaya lahat ng mga check-in luggages ko? Mag-over baggage kaya ako? Wala ba ako nakalimutan dalhin? Ano kaya food ng airline? It took us 1.5 hours before kami pinapasok sa loob at dahil sa tagal namin naghintay sa labas, hindi na ako nakapag-video ulit sa inis ko. The next video was sa loob na ng waiting area ng airport. At dahil nagutom ulit ako after pumila sa counter ng airline at immigration process, I bought almond croissant and Spanish latte the minute na makapasok ako sa lounge area. By this time, it was already around 4:30 p.m. Pagkatapos mabusog, I went to the washroom para mag-freshen up at mabawasan ang haggardness sa mukha ko.
Yan, dumating na ang aming airplane. So malamang on time kami lilipad. Philippine Airlines, welcome sa King Khalid International Airport. And later, sasakay na kami dyan. See you soon, Philippines.
After unloading the passengers, we waited for another 1 hour for our boarding time. I made the reservation online for a window seat. It took us another almost 1 hour before the plane has taxied for departure. Inside the plane, we were given a vanity bag. Let's look what's inside. It has pair of socks, sleeping eye mask, lastly toothbrush and toothpaste. Then after another 1 hour they serve us our dinner. I opted for chicken curry option. Six hours later, it's time for breakfast. I had fish fillet, egg, and 1 slice of fried banana. Yum! After another 2 hours, we arrive at our destination, Manila International Airport, Terminal 1. Hello, Philippines! It's nice to see you again. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next upload. Rawr! This is Mia Vaseline for the voiceover of this video. Signing off. Rawr!